Republicans have maintained control of the Senate, but the Democrats have flipped enough seats in the House to win back control of one chamber of Congress. That's still enough to stall any major legislation that would advance Trump's agenda. That includes major economic policies like taxes, immigration, healthcare, or trade. So, split control of Congress could bring 2 years of little progress in Washington. That might be okay if the economy keeps rolling along. It could even be good for markets. As Bank of America points out, since 1952, with a Republican in the White House, the S&P 500 has performed best during the year after midterms that produced a mixed Congress. But in this partisan environment, a split Congress could also raise the risk of government shutdowns, debt ceiling fights, and more, and that could rattle confidence, which is high right now by any measure. There is one area where you could see progress in a split Congress: infrastructure. It's possible that transactional Trump would reach out to Democrats to make a bipartisan deal. If that were to happen, it would surely be a boost to the economy, and markets would probably be pleased. But Trump's political reaction to Democrats winning the House is, of course, a big wild card. Also, do you think Democrats really want to give Trump any wins ahead of the 2020 election? Democratic control of even the House could put more pressure on Trump, bringing new investigations into his conflicts of interest and taxes. This scenario is probably where you'll start hearing about potential impeachment proceedings, and that uncertainty could rattle the markets. If the economy were to dip into recession, that would present the new Congress with an entirely different task, and it's not clear that a split Congress would be up to the challenge.